Hey folks, welcome to Insider News on Generation Wealth, your ultimate source for cutting-edge insights that turn global trends into real opportunities for your portfolio. If you're a US investor eyeing diversification beyond Wall Street, this report is gold. We're exploring the crypto remittance revolution, a fresh niche where digital assets are slashing costs, and exploding growth in emerging markets, potentially funneling billions back to savvy Americans like you. Like this, if you're ready to discover how crypto is rewriting the rules of global money, and subscribe now for more vital world finance news that keeps you in the lead. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk remittances. These are the vital money transfers from workers abroad to their families back home. It's a massive $800 billion global juggernaut. Emerging markets like India, Mexico, and the Philippines are each raking in over $100 billion annually from this. But the traditional systems? They're bloated. Banks and services like Western Union are taking a 6 to 7% cut in fees, eating into that hard-earned cash. This is where crypto comes in. Stablecoins like USDC and USDT are slashing those fees to under 1%. They're making instant borderless transfers a reality. Take Iran, for example. In 2025, its crypto ecosystem hit $8 billion. That's over 2% of its entire GDP. Citizens there are using digital assets to navigate sanctions and high inflation. But we're not stopping at the basics. This report uncovers a brand new niche, Decentralized Frontier Finance. Imagine crypto not just for sending money home, but for powering microloans, enabling yield farming for local farmers, and creating tokenized assets. These new tools let everyday people in Pakistan or Nigeria invest in global markets without needing a bank. Speaking of which, in Africa and the Middle East, regulations are starting to converge. The UAE's VARA and Bahrain's new frameworks are officially licensing crypto firms, while South Africa and Nigeria are formalizing their exchanges. This isn't just hype, it's real, tangible adoption happening on the ground. Pakistan's blockchain scene is booming too, with events like Programmable Economy pushing DeFi solutions for remittances and local investments. Now let's look at the regulatory landscape. While the US Clarity Act seems to be stalled with delayed markups and debates over stablecoin yields, emerging markets are charging full steam ahead. India, for instance, has tightened its KYC rules, but has also registered 49 exchanges, collecting $3.4 million in fines. This signals they're focused on oversight, not outright bans. South Korea recently lifted its ban on corporate crypto holdings, now allowing firms to hold up to 5% of their assets in crypto. Globally, Europe's MiCA regulation and the UAE's stablecoin rules are accelerating tokenization. Projections show we could hit 400 to 600 million crypto users by the end of this year. Even in the US, states like Texas are leading with Bitcoin reserves, showing that domestic policy is starting to catch up. So, what's the edge for you, the US investor? As crypto booms in these emerging markets, you can invest in ETFs that track stablecoins, or you can look into firms like Ripple, which is expanding in the UK and Europe, and Revolut, which is eyeing licenses in places like Peru. You can even hedge against trade tariffs or market volatility by allocating a portion of your portfolio to EM-focused crypto funds. If you have family abroad, this could mean lower fees on your own remittances. Plus, you could earn yields from DeFi protocols that are serving billions of people. Of course, you need to watch the risks. There's still volatility in unregulated spots and geopolitical tensions to consider, like Venezuela's recent moves with Bitcoin. The key is to diversify smartly. Just look at USDC's 72% market cap growth. It shows that compliant, regulated assets are winning. This whole revolution could add trillions to the global GDP by 2030, with US investors perfectly positioned to capture the upside through strategies from exchanges like Binance or Kraken's structured products. That's the inside track on how crypto is revolutionizing remittances in emerging markets. It's a niche that's democratizing finance and opening incredible new doors for US wealth building. Is this a bold new move or the next big bubble? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss your favorite emerging market crypto plays. If this sparks some ideas for your investments, hit that like button and subscribe for our daily world finance updates. And don't forget to turn on notifications to stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for tuning in. Invest wisely.